ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्।
Okay, I'll share the Chit Jana Prayogaha, page number 518, Vakya Vivahara Pradeepa.
Are we doing that or okay. Can somebody share it here? The RSS DP?
I have just messaged in the chat since you asked.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
No, okay. So the problem with me is I'm not able to do Zoom.
Oh, you mean share the screen? That was the problem.
Oh, sharing the book itself.
Yes, the book itself.
Okay,
RSS.
then we cannot record. You have to stop recording.
Okay.
Okay, we can do that also. It's okay.
No. The problem is I'm not able to see it on my drive and do Zoom at the same time.
Yeah, sometimes you have to download it.
Yeah, I downloaded, but I don't know how.
It takes more time to load. Yeah, you have to open it 5 minutes before. Sometimes it happens
the RSS
like
book is too big, so it will take so much time.
Yeah, it takes a very long time to load.
I can share my screen, but we cannot. You said you cannot
record. It's
record,
okay.
right?
Maybe I'll just listen in then. I have Bhasha Pravesha and Gita Sopanam. That's not a problem. So.
Okay, we'll.
It's okay.
Then we can do exercises from Bhasha Pravesha.
Yeah, we can go for Bhasha Pravesha.
But again, I don't know how many. If anybody else is joining, they may or may not have. That's okay. Let them download the book. Okay, the Chitchana is they have the same meaning, so it states the uncertainty. So that is what it is. Whenever we want to say somewhere, someone, somehow, or anything like that, where there isn't any certainty, but somebody had done in some village like that, we will use this Chitchana Prayogaha. And we have to we normally use this with the Sarvanama Shabdaha, like Kaha, Ka, that one, all those, that Vibhakti table, you add this after that word. So whenever there is a Visarga, then it becomes sh, that sound. The Visarga gets replaced with the sh sound. So that is the reason Kaha plus Chit becomes Kashchit. And then for example, the Saptami Vibhakti is Kasmin. Then Kasmin plus Chit, the Nakara becomes Makara. Kasmim Chit. Then Im plus Sh. The two letters will come. Kasmim Chit.
We have to call it as Makara or Anuswara?
I think Makara means Ma. Anuswara is the dot. Anuswara.
So in this case, it may be Anuswara because we are putting the dot. Kasmim Shit. Okay. It replaces with Anuswara and then Sh sound also. Then you will see this is the only place. Don't forget to when that dot is there. We have to remember that Anuswara for Kasmim Shit. And same thing is with Kasmat. The Takara gets replaced with Kasma, another Cha. It gets Kasmat Chit. It gets doubled. Kasmat Chit. So these are the places where we may go wrong, but otherwise it is whenever there is a Visarga, replace it with Sh. So if we remember these three tables, the Kaha or Ka, that Vibhakti, which is actually the Kim form variation of all the three, Sarvanama Shabdaha, we will be able to do, even if you don't memorize, we will be able to do. This is This is what I have understood. And it's the same thing with the chana or chit. Both are starting with the chakara form. So it will be the same form. Only thing is you have to replace by the chit with the chana. Meaning is exactly the same, and you can use it interchangeably.
And the
Did I
same
miss
rule
anything?
applies for sapta kakaras. Kim kutra kati kata. That also can be used with chichana.
Yes. Yeah.
But other than Kadi, other things are avyaya, right?
Yes, I was going to ask why. I think kati
Kat-
has got the vibhakti roopam,
Vibhakti
but
rupams.
except kati,
Because Kati
the
is
rest-
not a avyaya.
Ah.
We
Kati
we discussed this in class, I think.
Is it? Because
Well,
kati alone follows the ikara mati shabdaha, I think. The rest of the kakara questions are just avyayas, which can be added with
Rest
chit and chana.
avyayas, and Kati, it will be only in plural.
Yeah.
Which is mati shabdaha, Kalu Bagini. It was similar to
Just
mati
adding
shabdaha.
chit. Kati bischit, Kati biaschit, like Kati chit, Kati chit, Kati bischit.
Because it is always a bahuvachana rupam, right?
How many? So it will be in the bahuvachana rupam only. Katichit, katichit, katibischit, katibhyaschit, katibhyaschit, katinanchit, katishuchit. So whereas for other things, it will be like kadachit, kutrachit, karhichit, kadanchit, kutaschit. We can go for exercises now.
This page number in
Page
Bhasha.
number 79.
Exercise. Oh, something.
Lesson 12.
You want to do that, or you can go to page 81, because this is simple, right? It's the highlighted,
Abhyasa. Yeah.
the abhyasa, first abhyasa. It's just copying from the story, no?
Mhm.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, we can go for the next one.
Page 81.
Yeah, Swapna ji can start.
Okay. Tata kanchit katham kathayatu. Bhoho kanchit sevakam kripaya preshayatu.
Can we explain why it is that way so that it will register in our mind? Why are we using like kanchit? Because it is a Visheshana padam, right? So can you?
Yeah, kanchit katham. So katham is a strilinga, right? Strilinga ekavachana, dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana. So it will be calm. So calm plus chit, kanchit. Correct? Second sentence, sevakam. Pumlinga word, dvitiya vachanam, dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. So it will be come, right? So it come plus chit, kanchit, right? Mahilayaha syutah eshaha. Mahilayaha. So this is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Kasyaha plus chit, kasyaschit. Right? Varna lekhanya chitram rachitam. Varna lekhanya. Ekavachanam. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Prathama Vibhakti?
Varna lekhanya. Lekhanya. Oh, lekhanyaha. Also, இது kaya. Oh, இது Tritiya Vibhakti. Oh my God.
Mm.
Tritiya Vibhakti Strilinge. So kaya plus chit kayachit. Kayachit varna lekhanya chitram rachitam. Etani phalani vrikshebhyah patitani. Vrikshebhyah panchami vibhakti. पुंलिंगे बहुवचनम, correct? So it will be kebhyah plus chit kebhyashchit. Somebody else do it? 5 plus 5 or how?
Okay. Okay. Yes. So this is fine.
Saraswati ji, you can
Okay.
go.
Yeah.
Shamnita, I'm sorry I joined late. What is the page number? What's on Kim?
In Bhasha Pravesha, pages 70, 81.
Okay.
Ekashiti tamaha. Tama putaha. I'm just practicing my numbers too. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. I will be on, is it okay? Next, at least half an hour, I'll be on listen mode.
Okay, no problem. Balak dash balakayoho durlalityam vartate. What does it mean? Durlalityam vartate.
Bad thing. Dushtatanam, something like that.
So balakayoho. So this is Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam Pullinga Shabda. So then it will be Kayoho, Kayoshchit. Kayoshchit would be that. Then next is Danikanam Putraha Avinitaha Bhavanti. Danikanam is Shashti Danikaha. So that is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Pullinga Shabdaha. So then that will be Kesham Chit. Right?
Keshanchit.
Chit. Where is it? Is it there?
Keshanchit.
Yeah, it is there. Keshanchit. Then dash Yanat Saha Avatirnaha. Yanat is Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Yanam is Napumsakalingam. So it is Kasmat will be then Kasmat Chit. It'll get doubled. Kasmat Chit. Dash is Gruheshu Vidyut Nasti. Gruheshu is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Napumsakalinga Shabdam Gruham. So then it will be Keshuchit. Then Adya Mama Mitrani Gruham Agachanti. Mitrani is Bahuvachanam Napumsakalingam. Mitrani is Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So that will be Mitrani Napumsakalingam. So Kani Chit. Kani Chit is the answer. Okay. I don't know whether Jaya Bhagini is having this Bhasha Pravesha. Jaya Bhagini, are you there?
आम् भगिनि
Yeah, if you don't have the book, we cannot record the class with the book shown. So if you can please download it from the drive.
ओके अस्तु
Lavanya ji, you can go for the next one.
Next one, is it the Chaturtha Abhyasa or?
Am.
Astu.
Am.
कोष्टकस्थानां शब्दानां सहायेन उदाहरणानुगुणं वाक्यानि योजयत. First one is example, कानिचित् फलानि पक्वानि सन्ति. पुस्तकेषु वेदमन्त्राः सन्ति. केषुचित् पुस्तकेषु वेदमन्त्राः सन्ति. डैश नटः शाटिकां धृत्वा नटति. कश्चित् नटः शाटिकां धृत्वा नटति. डैश गायिकानां स्वरः मधुरः वर्तते. कासाञ्चित् गायिकानां स्वरः मधुरः वर्तते. डैश यानेन भवान् गन्तुं शक्नोति. केनचित् यानेन भवान् गन्तुं शक्नोति. I think I've done 5. So,
Yeah, I'll go ahead. Dash संस्कृत पत्रिकासु सरल संस्कृतं वर्तते. कासुचित् संस्कृत पत्रिकासु सरल संस्कृतं वर्तते.
Bhagini, I think, sorry Bhagini, I think you missed the Katayam, the previous one.
अस्तु. कथायां चाणक्यस्य राष्ट्रभक्तिः दृश्यते. कथायां कस्याञ्चित् कथायां चाणक्यस्य राष्ट्रभक्तिः दृश्यते. अतिथयः विमानेन आगताः. केचित् अतिथयः विमानेन आगताः. नर्तक्यौ नृत्यतः. केचित् नर्तक्यौ नृत्यतः. बालकाः बहु परिश्रमं कृत्वा लक्ष्यं प्राप्नुवन्ति. केचित् बालकाः बहु परिश्रमं कृत्वा लक्ष्यं प्राप्नुवन्ति अथवा केचन. जया भगिनी.
भगिनि
Are you able to download the book?
I'm in the I'm on the drive.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Which way are you heading now? In the back.
Is your voice breaking for me alone or for everyone?
For me as well.
Yeah, for me as well.
I think our bandwidth is poor. In the back, which page we are doing now?
83, page number 83 in Bhasha Pravesha. Voice breaking for me or for you?
For me as well.
83,
Page number 83. Yeah, I'm in the book actually.
Okay, we'll go with next one. So Supna ji, go ahead. Next, Jaya ji will take.
कोष्टकस्य साहाय्येन अनेक
Swapna Bhagini, go ahead.
Okay. कोष्टकस्य साहाय्येन अनेकानि वाक्यानि रचयत. उमा कञ्चित् श्लोकम् अपठत्. उमा काश्चित् पत्रिकाः अपठत्. उमा कानिचित् पुस्तकानि अपठत्. उमा काञ्चित् कविताम् अपठत्. उमा किञ्चित् काव्यम् अपठत्. उमा कांश्चित् ग्रन्थान् अपठत्. Somebody, Saraswati Mother, you want to go?
I think it's the same thing, right? Only thing is it will change the apatam. Should we go to the next one then? Avarene vidyamaneshu rupeshu uchitena rupena riktasthanam purayata. Kechana chatraha sarvada jalpanti. Because chatraha, it becomes kechana. It's a pullinga shabda bahuvachanam. Prathama vibhakti. Natakasya sharamsham vada. So that is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Natakam is pullinga shabdam. So Napumsakalingam. So that means kasyachit. Kasyachit natakasya saramsham vada. Shigram gaccha. Kasmachit apanat pustakam anaya. Dash abhinetrayaha. So abhinetri, so abhinetrayaha is Shashti Vibhakti. Abhinetrayaha abhimaninaha tatra sammilitaha. So this would be kasyashchit abhinetrayaha. Vidyalayeshu chaturaha balaha patanti. Keshuchit vidyalayeshu chaturaha balaha patanti.
Lavanya ji.
Dash Bharatiyaha Vainyanikaha Jagat Prasiddhaha Santi. Bharatiyaha Kechit Bahuvachanam. Kechit Bharatiyaha. Pradhan Mantri Dash Mantribihi Saha Samalochayati. Mantribihi. So Kabischit. Kabihi. So Kabischit. Madhuri Vittakoshe Adhikarini Asti. Vittakoshe.
Mantribihi is Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachane, right?
Mantri Shabdaha.
Mantri Shabda. So is it Pumlinga Shabda? So wouldn't be Kaishchit?
But the Bihi is Tritiya Vibhakti Kalu Bhagini.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah, but Kaihi is
Kaihi is also
pullinga.
Tritiya. Pumlinga Bahuvachane Kaihi.
Kabischit is first Trilingam.
Yes.
Correct. So
Yes, sorry.
Mantribihi.
Yes, you're right. Yes. Kaischit. Kim Shabde Bahuvachana would be Kai. So Kaihi. So Kaischit Mantribihi Saha Samalochayati. Madhuri dash Vittakoshe Adhikarini Asti. Keshuchit Vittakoshe Adhikarini Asti. Rashtradyat.
One more. Vittakoshe. Is it?
Vittakoshe. Kasminschit. वित्तकोश वित्तकोशेषु इत्युक्ते बहुवचनम् अस्तु वित्तकोशे कस्मिंश्चित् वित्तकोशे अधिकारिणी अस्ति राष्ट्राध्यक्षः डैश् क्रीडकाय पारितोषिकं प्रददाति कस्मैचित् क्रीडकाय अहं डैश् नर्तकीः अभिनन्दामि नर्तकीः बहुवचनं काश्चित् नर्तकीः अभिनन्दामि.
No, I think it will be Kanchit, right?
काम is पुल्लिङ्ग खलु भगिनि. काः इस् इत्युक्ते स्त्रीलिङ्ग नर्तकी स्त्रीलिङ्गः खलु स्त्रीलिङ्ग बहुवचनं द्वितीया विभक्ति.
Kaschit.
काश्चित्
के काः काम के काः.
I am expecting something like this will come in the exam where you will be required to choose or something. So
And in
this kind of question, I
third
wish.
book or something, they have mixed Sankhya Vachaka and Purna Pratyayanta, and they have given, you have to decide, read the line and understand whether it is ordinal or cardinal, and then we have to think. There's an exercise like that in third chapter. We should try that also.
Third chapter of what?
In Parichaya book. No, in Parichaya book.
in Parichaya there is a story
okay.
about the four sons and
Yeah,
Four
yeah,
sons
yeah.
and the story.
we have to understand if it's cardinal or ordinal and decide. But in RSS book, there was one exercise for the Sapta Kakaras. That was very difficult to understand.
Very difficult, yeah.
Is it Bhagini? I was relying on you to ask the answers because I don't have the
I don't know
answers.
which one to choose. I was like looking at the Parisystem and was thinking how it came.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just
okay.
going the reverse. From the answer, I'm trying to understand how to understand and apply that. But
Okay.
even now, I'm not sure about that. Rest of the exercise were very easy, but that one was.
If you have the answers, can you share it? Just for that exercise.
Yeah,
I think
I'll
it
do that.
was.
Or can we do that exercise too?
But then Swapna Bhagini won't have the book.
You're
Mute
on
madhye
mute.
asti Bhagini.
Which page number is it? I can send her a picture.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Page
RSS
number 529.
madhye-
Page number
529.
529 and exercise 249.
249.
Okay.
We have to do something difficult. So
That is difficult.
You have to find out which one to use. Kutrachit, Kadachit, Kutaschit, Kadanchit and Katichit.
Yeah. I had kadachit for so many of my answers and I got doubtful whether it is correct or not. How can I keep on using kadachit? I don't know. Katanchit, I karomi.
okay, so we are doing
Please
that
go ahead.
exercise now.
Yeah, please go ahead. RSS, right? Which again, can you tell me the page?
529.
520. Okay, let me. I'll get there. You start.
Swapna Madhya, should I send it to you by WhatsApp? That page, the picture,
Sure, sure.
so you can see it on your phone.
Yeah, you can see it on the phone. And
Sure. Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
the first one is Mata dash Mata Matula Gruham Yasyati. Kadachit Mata Matula Gruham Yasyati. Putrasya Krute dash Kridanakam Kretavyam.
Can you explain why it is so that we all will follow? Why is it
Sometime-
kadach?
I'm trying to
Sometime.
like translate in Tamil and trying to find it out.
Okay.
எப்பயாவது அப்படின்னு அந்த சென்ஸ் புத்திரஸ்ய கிருதே கிரீடனகம் கிரேத்தவ்யம் புத்திரஸ்ய கிருதே கதஞ்சித் கிரீடனகம் கிரேத்தவ்யம். No, the answer is kutaschit.
I also thought it will be somehow, but I think from somewhere will be making more
somewhere.
sense than somehow. They
Yeah.
have to get a toy from somewhere.
Somewhere.
So, can you say which one are you doing? The first sentence?
First sentence is done. First sentence is kadachit mata matula griham yasyati. Sometime.
Okay.
Second, putrasya krite kutaschit kridanakam kretavyam.
From somewhere. Okay.
From somewhere. Third one, dash vayam dehalim gamishyamaha. Katachit. Katachit is, yeah, it's right there.
Kadachit.
Yeah, katachit, and the answer is given there. Dash dinani grame yapayitavyani. Kadanchit. Kanichit. Kadanchit or kanichit. Dinani is
Is Katichit correct?
the answer is kanichit.
Kanichit. Okay.
Where
But
is
I
the
thought kadanchit somehow. The answer
What is the
given there
answer? Answer? What is the answer?
Kanichit. Kanichit.
But Bhagini, the question above says we have to use one of the words given there. Kanichit is not part of the list, which was more confusing to me.
Am I looking at the correct exercise? Yeah, it's right only. 249.
So you are seeing the answers as well. Kanichit is the answer, is it?
Kanichit is given as answer here.
See, that makes more sense, but the title was confusing to me. I was not able to go beyond it.
But I never thought kanichit. I thought kadanchit.
But Bhagini,
Somehow, but dinani is there.
Work, right? Katichit also will work, right? Katichit.
Should. Katichit.
Oh,
dinani.
what is the exact meaning for Katichit? How many ever days?
How many ever?
So-
Isn't it? So I thought Katichit actually, because I wanted something to go with number.
But Kanichit is out of this list.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm checking again and again whether it is a correct exercise. 249. Fourth
so
one. Kanichit.
where is the answer? Is there an answer for
It's a different book, Bhagini.
Book. It's a different book.
Only Akila Bhagini holds the book.
Oh,
We have a book full of answers for this RSS for all the levels.
oh, really? Okay.
So that's why I rely on this. We can cross check whether we are doing the right track or not.
Okay. Good.
The fifth one, dash adya vrishtihi bhavet. Kadachit, I guess kadachit.
I wrote the same. Yes, I think the same.
Why cannot it be Kathanchit? कैसे
Kadachit
भी आज
also.
कैसे भी आज बारिश होने दो. Somehow let it rain.
But this is not let it rain because it is Bhavet, Vidilingaha.
So it
It should be,
Might
it
rain.
might rain.
Sambhavana.
Might rain.
Sambhavana eva. Command. अत्र
somehow
आज्ञा
today
नास्ति
it might
संभावना इति एव अहमपि चिन्तयामि.
Bhavet.
So,
But
what did you
somehow
say
it
the
should
answer?
rain.
But Priya Bhagini, rather than saying somehow today it might rain, it is better if we say sometime today it might rain.
Sometime. Oh, okay.
So that will become Kadachit then.
Kada. Okay.
Next person can go ahead with the sixth one.
Will I try?
Yeah.
Oh, is Jaya Bhagini trying? Shall I try?
Can I try?
Oh yeah, Jaya Bhagini, you go.
Please.
I'll go after you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bhavaः स्थगयन्तु.
Jaya Bhagini, stop your video, so then you will be able to and your bandwidth will be better. Stop.
Okay. Okay. How about now?
Yeah, it is better.
Is that good now?
Mhm.
Dash bhavantah etat karyam sadhayantu. Katichit or
Kadanchit.
katham- kathimchit, right? Somehow.
Somehow you do the work.
Somehow, yeah, kathimchit. ह्यः dash महान् कोलाहलः अभवत्. ह्यः कदाचित्. Is it kadachit? Whenever?
Somewhere, right?
Somewhere.
Kutrachit, is it?
And what is this Mahan? What shabda it is?
Mahat.
I don't know.
That is
Mahat
Mahat
Shabdaha.
Mahat.
And Vibhakti Bhagini? Mahat shabdah.
Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Mahan mahantam mahantah.
Oh, okay.
So it will be kutrachit.
Seventh one is kutrachit.
कुत्रचित्. भारतीयाः क्रीडकाः dash विपक्षदलं जयेयुः. So this is विपक्षदलं कंचित् no.
Somehow.
Somehow means kathamchit.
Kadanchit.
Kadanchit.
Kadanchit vipakshadalam jayeyuhu.
What?
Somehow
Vipakshadalam?
we have to jayeyuhu within his.
Yeah.
Which one? Kridakaha.
No, Vipakshadalam ityukte?
Defense, I think.
Opposite party,
Vipakshadalam.
opposite. Vipakshadalam is opposite group, right?
Okay. Opponents like that.
Vipaksha, opponent. I think so.
Astu.
Opponents. Yeah. वैदेशिकाः dash वर्णानि भारते शासनं कृतवन्तः. वर्णानि कानिचित्.
Atra katichit iti dattam. I think the fourth one should also be katichit only.
Katichit, yeah. Instead of
Katichit. When the numbers come, we can go for katichit. We can.
Prekshalayam.
Katichit.
10th one.
Then 10th one. Aham dash prekshalayam na gatavan. Prekshalayam. This prekshalayam means kamchit.
Bhagini, just like the other chit chana forms, for kakara forms, you cannot go like a visheshanam. You have to understand the sentence. Only then you will be able to get the answer. Don't go by the next word. That won't make sense.
Okay, yeah, that's true. That's what I was
This should be
thinking,
kutrachit.
yeah. Prekshalayam na gatavan.
Yeah.
Or kadachit.
Kadachit.
Kadachit, right?
Kadachit.
Kadachit.
I think it's
Kadachit.
kadachit. Dhanyawad.
It's my turn?
Yeah.
Why is can you explain why it is kadachit?
Because aham prekshalayam na gatavan. मैं कभी भी प्रेक्षालय नहीं गई. अहम कदाचित प्रेक्षालयम. I translated in Hindi.
What is
Kabhi
Prekshalayam?
kadachit, right? I
Prekshalayam.
don't know. I know it's of some place. I don't know what place. What is prekshalayam?
Prekshalayam.
Prekshalayati, like washing room.
Prekshalayam.
Is that what it is?
प्रेक्षागृहम्. Theater. Prekshagraham means theater.
ప్రేక్షకులు. ఓకే,
Prekshagraham itukte theater.
Theater. Okay. Okay. Shall I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. वृद्धः कृषिक्षेत्रं गच्छति. वृद्धः कथञ्चित् कृषिक्षेत्रं गच्छति. Is that okay?
The answer is correct, but how did you decide? I don't know.
somehow
Explain.
he went.
The old person, somehow he went to the Krishi Kshetram because they said Vruddha, so I put somehow.
Yeah.
I was stuck between
But we
Kadachit.
can, but why not we
Kadachit
say
and Kadachit.
sometimes? So Kadachit,
Kadachit, yeah, I was stuck between Kadachit and Kathanchit, but because it was Vruddha, I pushed towards Kathanchit. No logic. Sorry.
No, and moreover, it is gachati, present tense.
Gachati.
so what is the difference?
Somehow he is going. He's managing to go there.
Go. Hmm.
Okay. Somehow is
So,
manageable.
so Kadachit will be like for Vidhilingaha, atwa somehow he went, somehow sometimes
Yeah.
he will go, things, isn't it? Not for present tense.
So
that
Gatavan,
is a
it
good,
would have been Kadachi.
yes, that is a good
Gatavan.
clue, Bhagini.
Clue.
Okay, kadachit means sometime. In
Yeah, so in English, sometime if we use, we will be using it either for past or future. We won't use sometime maybe sometime I read.
Yeah, you can
I
still
don't
use it.
Sometimes I read. Sometimes I read would still be past it bhava kalu. Bhutakala bhava eva is there. So if it is a present tense, then I don't think kadachit will work.
okay.
Chalachitram kada bhavati, kadachit bhavati. So why can you not use kadachit for present? I don't know.
Hey, don't use English for translation, okay? We will not use our mother tongue. Then you will get the correct.
You better go to our mother tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I translate in Tamil, I am somewhat getting. Otherwise, not at all getting.
कभी भी क्षेत्र में हाँ
அவர்
वृद्धा कभी भी
அவர்
क्षेत्र
எப்பவோ போயிட்டு இருக்காருன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம்ல. எப்படியோ போயிட்டு இருக்காரு.
क्षेत्रियो yes somehow he's going कैसे भी जा रहा है okay महिलाः कोपशीलाः भवन्ति कोप is angry what is कोपशीलाः
Yeah, the one who is angry should be kopashila, the mahila
Okay.
who is angry.
Is becoming
Okay.
Bhadrakali.
okay
She becomes.
okay
So sometimes she will become.
sometimes she becomes kadachit va let me see one second महिलाः कोपशीलाः भवन्ति I'm able to justify every single thing in this blank
What did you tell Bhagini, Priyaji?
no I haven't said anything yet I'm still trying to figure this out I can say
Sometimes.
महिलाः कथञ्चित् कोपशीलाः भवन्ति I can say महिलाः कुत्रचित् कदाचित् कोपशीलाः भवन्ति but then the past tense comes but then I can also say
No, the past tense, I think the past tense rule is not completely correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
then I can say kadachit kopashilaah bhavanti. I can say kathanchit kopashilaah bhavanti. I can also say
No, Bhagini, katamchit if you use, ladies
they
who
are all
somehow, we will never say somehow will be a
they are
very
all
angry
angry.
person. We will say sometimes ladies become angry or something like that.
So kadachit then.
Yeah.
But the answer given is kadichit.
Kati.
Katichita. Why katichit?
Answer given
महिलाः
is
कितना
kadichit.
भी कोपशीलाः होता है. So they have
Some
taken
people
the
will become
kopashila.
kopam. Kopashila. Only some people will
First of all,
become angry.
Katichit, how do you translate in
But
English?
but if you say, oh no, if you say katichit mahilaha kopashilaha bhavanti,
Laha
then
bhavanti,
it is fine. But mahilaha dash kopashilaha ityukte katichit.
Yeah, not able to
Some
understand.
women are angry. Some women are angry women. Then katichit makes sense in that meaning.
Like how many ever? Is it like how many
Katichit
ever?
means, how do you translate in English?
How many ever?
A few,
Right?
a few.
But in
Some.
Hindi, actually, katichit will make sense. If katichit is the answer, in Hindi it will make sense. महिला कितना भी कोपशीला हो रहा है करके.
नहीं
हो रही है.
कतिचित नहीं, वैसे नहीं ना. कतिचित
कितना भी.
few,
Like
right?
how? A few, yeah, that's what I'm in here. The meaning.
Right?
Kati is how many?
Kati is
So
कितना.
count.
Katichit is कितना भी. कितना तो, right? But katichit should have a number behind it. Should it not have a
But
number?
Bhagini, kitna I think won't be apt here for Kati.
Yeah, kitna
She
is,
gave the answer. That's why she gave the answer. So I'm justifying. I would not have picked this at all.
Maybe we
I
can
would never
take
have
few, because the exercise given here, aham katichit varshani samskrita pracharam kritavan. I did samskrita pracharam for a few years. So in the context of few, it may come. Few ladies are angry, or always angry like that.
So that's what she said. If it was before Mahila, that's what Lavanya Bhagini said. If it was before Mahila, then Katichit makes sense. But it is before Kopashila, right?
No. In Sanskrit, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah,
You
the
can
order
just
is not
take-
matter.
Yeah, the order doesn't matter. Yeah.
But the order is doesn't matter rule comes only in prose poetry, right? In normal speaking thing, sometimes it doesn't make sense if it is. I mean, in this context, if it is Katichit in between the words,
The
I don't know if it
Mahila
makes
is also in
sense.
Bahuvachanam, and Kopashilaha is also in Bahuvachanam.
Hmm,
So the
hmm.
Visheshana will go for both.
Yeah, it
For
can be
me, you know what? If you ask anybody, they would say all answers are appropriate for this because they
Yeah,
can become angry somewhere. Somehow.
Somehow, sometime,
Sometimes.
somewhere. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't understand this.
Yeah, even I don't understand majority of the sentences.
Shall I go ahead?
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe
we
we
have
can
to.
ask.
Do you think we should write in our exam Kada stroke Kati? We can go for anything, even Kutra. Everything is applicable.
We can ask this in class better, because is
Yeah.
this in syllabus? Is this in Parichaya book?
Yeah, it
I
is.
think it
It is.
Yeah, it should be there.
Oh, yeah, it was there. I remember. I saw that there.
Mhm.
We can ask Sukanya Bhagini.
Yeah, next week
Yeah.
we'll make it.
Yes, you can ask. 13th is easy. I think it is easy. Let's see. Chhatraha parikshayam uttirnaha bhavanti. Chhatraha kathanchit parikshayam uttirnaha bhavanti. Is that
I agree with you. This
appropriate?
is the only one easy.
Thank God. This is the only one.
1 second. Can anybody read the paragraph just above that Abhyasa 249? It says something about the
Yeah,
explanation.
I'll read that.
Yeah.
Uparitana vakyeshu kutrachit better we'll read that also. Kutrachit
Yes.
aham krishmavakashe kutrachit gamishyami. Mama putraha kutrachit patishyati. Kadachit kim bhavan kadachit radayatram drishtavan. Adhyapakah kadachit chatraya akrudyat. Kutaschit adya kutaschit duravani agata asit. एषः सुगन्धः कुतश्चित् समायाति. कदञ्चित् तेन कदञ्चित् परीक्षा उत्तीर्णा. अस्माभिः कदञ्चित् तत्र गन्तव्यम् एव. कतिचित् अहं कतिचित् वर्षाणि संस्कृतप्रचारं कृतवान्. वयं कतिचित् दिनानि बेङ्गलूरुनगरे स्थास्यामः. उपरितनवाक्येषु कुत्रचित् कदाचित् इत्यादीनि पदानि प्रयुक्तानि. एतानि अव्ययानि. पूर्वं यथा किं शब्देन सह चित् चन प्रयोगः दर्शितः, तथैव एतैः अव्ययैः सह अपि चिच्चन भवतः कस्मिन् स्थाने इत्यस्य इदं मित्तं तया निर्देशाभावे भावे यथा अनिश्चितनिर्देशः भवति तदा कुत्रचित् इत्यस्य प्रयोगः भवति कस्मिन् स्थाने इत्यस्य इदं मित्तं तया निर्देशाभावे यदा अनिश्चितनिर्देशः भवति तदा कुत्रचित् इत्यस्य प्रयोगः भवति एवमेव कस्मिन् काले इत्यस्य यदा अनिश्चितनिर्देशः तदा कदाचित् प्रयुज्यते एवमेव कुतश्चित् कथञ्चित् कतिचित् इत्यादयः प्रयोगाः अपि ज्ञेयाः
So
So if
Kutachit
it is
is when we
location-
don't know from where it has come or that action had originated. Katachit is how we are going to do it, and Katichit is how many.
how many?
But having said that, that first kutrachit, second example, mama putraha kutrachit patishyati. I would have gone for katanchit patishyati had it been a
எங்கேயோ
blank.
படிக்கிறான் எங்கேயோ படிக்கிறான்
No, if we know it
எப்படியோ
is talking
படிக்கிறான்.
about the location, then I would have chosen kutrachit. But if it had been a blank, then I would have gone for katanchit naturally. Somehow he will
Yes,
read.
somehow he's studying. I agree with that.
Yeah, Kadanchit
Yeah,
is very fluent.
So, yeah, so if we are very unsure about the location, it is kutra, number, then it is kati, time, it is kada. That logic seems to be correct. But here for our Mahila example, we can go for time or number.
Number.
Both answers seems correct.
Why would
Sometimes
you go for
women are
number?
angry, we can go either to say sometimes women are angry, or we can say some women are angry. All these are correct, isn't it, in that sentence? So not very clear about that sentence, the logic, what
No,
they are
women
reading.
are angry. Will it angry women, right?
Bhavanti, the women become angry.
One second. Then if you say sometimes women become angry, then you are generalizing for all women. So all women will become angry, irrespective of how they are. But whereas when you say, I'm just
Yeah.
Katichit is some of them may become angry, or some of them are becoming angry.
But
So
I'm
you're
sure
not generalizing there.
I'm sure it is better we generalize it, isn't it? To be safe.
Okay.
Anyway, it is still a vague answer, but yeah, we'll go for Katichit if it comes in the exam. Then
Okay. Yeah, Priya, will you go ahead?
14th. Bhavantah Mumbai Nagarim Gatavan va. Oh, this is easy.
Hey,
Bhavantah.
what is 13? What is
Kadachit.
13 is what? 13 is what?
1 to
Kadanchit. Somehow.
Kathachit.
Yeah, Katachit.
Bhavantah Kadachit Mumbai Nagarim Gatavan va. Is that right?
Yes.
Kadachit. Okay. Kadachit. Sarve blank Rashtrakaryam Kuryah. Sarve somehow. Kathanchit. Sarve Kathanchit Rashtrakaryam Kuryah. Kuryuhu. Samyak va?
Samyak.
Okay. I did 5.
Next, Swapna Bagini.
आम् महोदय भ्रातरः तिष्ठन्ति कुत्रचित् तिष्ठन्ति somewhere he sits, right?
Kutrachit.
Okay. नौकाः नदीं तरन्ति कदाचित् नदीं तरन्ति sometimes. Okay.
Katha.
Can we also not also say Kathanchit, Kadachit or Kathanchit?
Kadanchit. Somehow.
for that matter, even kutrachit somewhere in the nadi. What is the answer, Bagini?
Kanchit.
Huh?
Kanchit is not even an option, right? As if we are not
Kanchit.
confused enough.
Kanchit, okay. Kanchit, so they have gone with Nadeem.
Yeah,
Right?
Nadi.
Kanchit.
Yeah, Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
Okay, whatever.
So if you don't get anything, we can go for Vibhakti.
No, but
Kanchit.
Oh, Nagare Sabha Bhavet. Nagare Kadachit Sabha
It's
Bhavet.
location.
Ah,
Nagare.
oh, Nagare in the Nagar. Somewhere. Kutrachit
Kutrachit.
Bhavet. Okay. And, Bhavantaha Masan Samskritam Patantu. Bhavantaha Katichit
Yes, Katichit.
Masan.
Katichit Masan.
so for 17, we are going to go with Kanchit.
Yeah, it's written there as Kanchit.
If you had to pick
Yes.
one from here, which is appropriate then?
Moreover, it is not a takara, it's dakara is given. I don't know. Maybe mistake. Printing mistake or something.
Hmm.
What is 16?
17th is Kanchit. It's given as
16?
Kanchit. What, Bhagini?
16? What is
16th is Kutrachit.
it? Okay.
Standing somewhere. So time is already 9:27. We'll make a note of this and we'll check with.
Yeah.
the teachers in the class.
Okay, we didn't even go to Vidhiling.
Yes.
Yeah, it's two big topics, each of them.
And we haven't gone, there's so many exercises in RSS, Bhagini. It would be better if we all, at least self-study, if we all do it. It's a good exercise.
Next
So
time
which
we
one
can
should we
better
study?
take a picture. I'll better take a picture, and those who are having difficulty in downloading, we can share with them. Like Swapna ji or Jaya Bhagini will share with you.
No. I solved my problem. That's fine. I solved.
Katanchit solve Karish Karoti.
Yeah, I got it now. I downloaded it.
Because RSS gives lot of confidence. Because Bhasha Pravesha, it's like bit tough. But RSS is very easy. Go through that, we'll gain lot of confidence. I at least, if we go to Bhasha Pravesha, like somewhat, I think I'm the beginning itself. Somehow.
So should we do something on our own in this before next week?
We can do one thing. We can do a self-study of, because we have got where the exercises are. And if any of us have got any queries, except for this one exercise, the rest of them are all fine, Bhagini. So we are not too doubtful about the answers. So if we have queries, then we can post it in the group. And because Akila Bhagini has got a book, she will be able to give the answers of wherever we
Okay.
have a question.
So we'll do
Okay.
Vidhiling next time.
So
Yeah, we'll
probably
go for Vidhiling because I think we don't have too many weeks left before our exam. So at least one topic we need to cover in a week. Only then we would be able to finish everything.
Yeah, sure.
So we'll go with Vidhiling, but if anyone has got if you've got so much difficulty during your self-study, then we can post it in the group and we'll do that.
Why can't we do?
Can we post the exercise numbers from RSS or whichever book that you guys
Bhagini,
want?
that's there in the PowerPoint that was shared.
No, what I'm saying is for self-study, can we do the exercise numbers so that we can, all of us can do those exercises on our own?
Jaya
Yeah,
Bhagini,
it's
all the
actually-
exercises we need to do self-study.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bhagini, we didn't do anything from RSS except that one exercise. So everything is self-study.
Right. Okay, got it.
Maybe we can do only one exercise for Vidhiling. Or do you want to continue next week, Vidhiling?
Vidhiling will.
We will do Vidhiling next week.
Fine,
Why don't we
Vidhiling.
do self-study for the exercises also, so that we will be kind of prepared for the class? It will take less time. Is that a good
Yeah.
idea?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
only studied Vidhiling. I finished the Vidhiling exercises in Bhasha Pravesha. Are we supposed to do Vidhiling in Bhasha Pravesha and RSS both?
No, there is no
Self-study?
beginning in RSS.
Oh, there is no Vidhiling. Correct, correct. And we are not doing Gita Sopanam, right? I didn't even
Gita
open the-
Sopanam, same only. It's like both
Same
books
only.
are same. Like
Okay,
exercise,
so we are
if you
doing-
exercise, most of them are same.
Okay, so we are doing self-study
Slightly
Bhasha
different, but
Pravesha,
that's
right?
For Vidhiling, yeah, we are sticking to Bhasha Pravesha.
Bhasha Pravesha. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I already have a lot of doubts in Vidhiling when I studied this past week. But I'll bring it to class next time maybe.
Maybe we can check for 5 minutes. If anyone's having any doubt, we can check with that. We can discover.
In
We can
Vidhiling?
like share. Yeah, Vidhiling. If it is okay for all of you, just 5 or 10 minutes.
Fine. I think I lost my page.
It's 105, I think.
Yes, yes. Got it. So,
But this
Gachati is
Vidhiling exercise, it has
Gacheyam.
all the Dhatu Rupas.
Huh?
Sorry, Bhagini, what were you saying?
I said Gachati is Gacheyam, right? Not Gacheyam. Is that correct?
Gacheyam. And Uttama
Aham
Purusha.
Vidyalayam Gacheyam. Not Gacheyam.
Gacheyam.
Okay. Okay.
So in Vidhiling, so we can, there is one clue they have given here. So this patet, patetam, pateihu. So most of the verbs follow this box, this rule. So some dhatus like which has akaras, batnati, janati, krinati, prinati, ashnati. The akara they get converted to ikara.
Okay. That's a good.
Grhniyat, grhniyatam, grhniyuhu. Whereas okara, if there is okara, chinoti, apnoti, shrunoti, tanoti, okara is there, it becomes ukara. Maybe some sandhi rule. So they have given only these three generalized three tabular columns and some special dhatus like kru and da.
Correct. Okay.
So if we stick to this, then we memorize these three boxes, then we can mostly go with others also. If there is yakara also, in the exercise given, like nich pratyaya, chintayate, it becomes chintayet. Chintayati, ganayati, marjayati, katayati. The nich pratyaya, yakara, in that it becomes chintayet, chintayetam, chintayeyuhu. Chintayeyeha, chintayetam, chintayeta, chintayeyam, chintayeva, chintayema.
Which exercise, Bhagini?
Page number 109.
Hmm.
The fourth udaharana anusaram riktasthanani purayata.
Okay.
So when,
Okay, so why
when I
did-
went
say
through
that
this,
again?
I said,
Say that again. Why did Chintayati become Chintaye?
Because there is yakara in it,
yakara
Bhagini.
there.
Chintayati is the kartari.
Okay, got it.
So
Okay,
yakara
got
is the
it.
katu, so yet will come.
Got it.
Like tadayati will become tadayet.
Tadayet.
So this is the one I'm like making myself like.
So then if
So-
it is patayati, then it will be patayet.
Patayet.
Tadayet.
When she was saying, she used the word nich pratyaya, which means the prerana. Yeah, so yakara will come in all the nich. So then it will become eight.
So it becomes here it becomes patayet, there it becomes patayet. So if we memorize these three tabular columns, then most of the things we can do.
Hey, what is that crunch dhatu?
That I don't know why
Is
they
it
have
not,
written
is it not
Kru
kru
dhatu,
dhatu?
kru. Yeah,
Kru.
kru.
Kru
I don't know
dhatu,
what is
right?
crunch dhatu.
Cringe dhatu. And they had some of them which they forgot about Vidiling, but they just wanted to change from present tense to past tense, I think, somewhere around here only.
Yeah, they have given exercises like that.
Yeah.
So in this, when we go through this alone, we'll be like thorough with all the verb forms.
Correct.
I easily get confused with all the verb forms, so it was like very tough for me.
Because some
I want an
exercises
open book.
were-
I understand the concepts, but I can't memorize. So I need a open book. That's the reason why I always go into logical steps rather than memorizing. I cannot remember.
Some they wanted translation from, I think, Bhavishyat Kal to Langlakar. There was something there. It had nothing to do with Vidiling, and I was scratching my head like, why is this? Am I missing something?
Where is it, Bhagini?
It's in the second part, like Agnya.
This one is, where was it?
The next chapter probably.
It was
Next
like
lesson.
actually they have given the Lang Lakara form of Atmanepati and I've asked to translate it to the Vidiling form.
Yes, yes.
Something was like that.
Something funky was there. I forget where is it. Oh, I think
The
it is
page,
some 115. Huh?
113, you can say something like that. They have get Chatraha Gruhapatam Likati, Chatraha Gruhapatam Liket. Like that.
No, this was at least reasonable. There was something else. I forget where it
Page
is. I need to
115,
look.
look at it. Atmanepadi dhatavah lang lakara vidilinga.
They have
Yeah, the
given
next
in
lesson
that told to convert it to Vidiling.
Yeah, 118. Number 2. Eteshu vakyeshu lat lakara rupanam sthane lang lakara rupani upayujya vakyani likhata.
Yes. It's not
No,
Vidiling form.
that's not Vidiling. No, so I was a little confused. Like, why did they put this in the middle here?
They have given the combined the exercises together and given. So that it will be more confusing for us.
Yes.
There is one box here in page number 112. They have given just the verb forms and told and have asked us to क्रियापदानि लिखितानि सन्ति ततः विधिलिङ् लकारस्य क्रियापदानि एव चित्वा रिक्तस्थानेषु लिखत.
Yes, yes.
This one also was like very challenging.
This was very difficult for me.
I think from next week onwards, every one of us can take turn and group together various dhatu rupas and can play a game.
We are meeting, no, this coming weekend?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we can go through that and time is already 9:40 here.
Kalah atitah bhavati. Idane.
Is it not atitah?
Atitah bhavati. Atitah bhavati. Kalah atitah bhavati. Yeah.
Shanti Manjana Samaya.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve
santu niramayaah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschid dukkhabhag bhavet.
Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.
Namaste sarve.
Sorry, Bhagini, I didn't went on unmute.
Dhanyawada.
I think this is really helping our group study. Thank you. Thanks for participating.
Thank you so much.